Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this channel we discuss how to make money online using the several methods. In this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more upcoming strategies on how to make money online, binary options, tutorial, forex trading tutorials, and other making money online tips and tricks. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to make money online selling your artworks. You can do this in any part of the world. So here we're going to be using the top match websites as an example. So here these are among the few top match websites where you can sell your sticker and your designs and artworks placed on hoodies, stickers, t-shirts, mugs, socks, your graphic designs in general, and your artworks. Let's quickly show you how this works. You can head on to all of these channels, all of these websites listed there, match.amazon.com. Let's check this out, match.amazon.com. Then teespring.com, redbubble.com. I'm going to be discussing briefly on this website and how they work. tpublic and tchips, tpublic.com, public.com, and tchips.com, tchip.com. So here, this is a Match by Amazon website. So all you have to do is to request an invitation, then go through the process of registration. So if you are qualified, they send you an email to complete your sign up, and you can start uploading your artwork. As you can see, the same thing goes to Redbubble. This one doesn't really requires much stress like the Match by Amazon. All you need to do is to sign up and create your profile, create a very good profile, design an artwork for your profile. Then the same thing goes to tpublic and tchip, tchip.com. So here, once your artworks are done, after signing up, all you need to do is to upload your artwork. Make sure your artworks are in PNG formats and they are in transparent backgrounds. I'll be coming to the software you design all those. So this is a sample of an artwork. You can see this is an artwork. This is in transparent background. It's just showing black. So once your artwork is ready and once it's uploaded, this is how it looks on a t-shirt. You can see the artwork. This is the artwork. Once you upload it on any of these Match websites, this is how it will look on the t-shirt. I selected the brown color. This is how it looks on the hoodie. You can see the hoodie. So if you upload it on any of these websites that supports other designs like mugs, bags, computer accessories, the laptop casing, the mobile phone casing, your design will look the same way as uploaded. You can see a design that looks, you can see the looks on the bag, you can see. So same thing on other Match websites. This is the artwork itself. This is how it looks on the t-shirt, how it looks on the mug, and all of that. So once you are done with your designs, all you need to do is to write a good description of the design. Then you search for, you do a research on your keywords. The keywords enable you to get sales on this Match websites. If you go to Amazon.com and search for t-shirts, you will see the t-shirt will come out using the keyword they use to search for it. Make sure you have a unique designs. As you can see, this is an example of how this artwork will look. This is an artwork. It's an example of how it looks like on a hoodie. If it's placed on a hoodie, you don't need to have a company. You don't need to have a t-shirt printing company. These companies do the work for you. All you need to do is to upload the ready artwork. They print it on the t-shirts, they print it on the mugs, they print it on the stickers, they print it on the sauce bags and all that, and ship directly to the buyers once they place the order, and you get your own commission after a successful delivery. So you can, if you want to get, you can use a free software like Adobe Shop, Photoshop to create your designs. And you can also download the GIMP, which is an open source image design software. You can use it to make your quick designs and upload it on any of these websites and start making money. Also remember that you need to promote your designs. You need to promote your designs on social media, Facebook, Google, YouTube, for you to be able to make sales. You can see, let me log into one of these for you to see how the store looks like after signing up. This is the Redbubble, so I'm going to log in. So as you can see, I've logged into one of my March website as a Redbubble. So you can see here I have I've sold 5 designs just within few months. So let me show you the dashboard and see some designs I have. Right here I have few designs. So the more designs you upload, the more the sales, then the more your promotions. So let me go to products. So you can see I have a lot of products here. You can see different artworks that I've uploaded. So this can be placed on mugs, on t-shirts, on stickers, on bags, and on laptop casing, mobile casing, and all I have to do is to create my designs and upload on each of these websites. And once the order is placed, when you search for this, when buyers search for these items on the main websites, once they place the order, the company do the rest of the work. They ship the items to the buyers, and once it's delivered, you get your own commission. You have to promote the website, URL, I mean your store URL on Facebook, on YouTube, on WhatsApp, on the social media, for you people to be making reasonable sales. So you can see this is how it works. So this is how to make money online by uploading your artworks, your ready artworks, your designs on the top match websites. You don't need to have a shirt producing company. You don't need to have machines that print. All you need to do is to upload the artworks, and the companies will do the rest of the job for you. People are making thousands of dollars every month doing this method. Thanks for watching. Bye.